Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Resilia.shop subscription. So basically this is the supplement, this kind of supplement. If you have purchased oil of oregano from this brand like Resilia, so by mistake if you have taken any subscription, how you can cancel. Basically when we making a research on this topic, we found there is only one option to cancel your subscription, but they have provided two options. One is not working. The second method is like a little bit easy, and this method is working right now. So what you have to do, you need to compose an email. In the email you need to mention each and everything related to your subscription, your if the anything which you have access, you need to provide the information, and you need to compose an email related to cancellation. You need to provide a valid proof of reason why you want to cancel, and after that in the bottom side you need to ask a proof of cancellation of your subscription. When you completely done your email, you can also take help from ChatGPT, or you can take a screenshot of this format of cancellation of your subscription. Once you done this task, you need to send this email at this email address. I want to show you the email format, and the email is, you can see over here, this is the email. Okay, I want to show you, you can see over here, this is the email, like support@Resilia.shop. You need to send this email at this email address, support@Resilia.shop, and once they receive your email, they will cancel your subscription. Okay, and if we talk about what are the things you need to keep in your mind, the first thing, to avoid charges for your next shipment, you must cancel at least 24 hours before the next billing date. And in order to include a subscription, if the customer responsibility to manage or cancel the subscription within 30 days guarantee period. Okay, or you can read this note, and after that you can make a proper decision when you should cancel your subscription. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.